Ever wonder how you'd handle a dangerous situation? With these 30 secret self-defense moves, you won't have to wonder anymore. Be prepared to face any threat head-on and leave your attacker stunned. Let's get started. These techniques are for self-defense only. Use them responsibly and only when necessary to protect yourself or others. Avoid unnecessary violence and don't escalate situations. Technique 30. The adrenaline dump breath. The adrenaline dump breath is a recovery technique that helps you reset after intense stress or panic. By taking deep, controlled breaths, you can calm your body and flush out the adrenaline coursing through you. This helps you regain focus and reduces the risk of freezing up in a fight. Practicing controlled breathing will also help you think clearly and act decisively in high-pressure situations. This technique ensures that you can continue the fight with a clear mind and reset after every high-stress moment. Technique 29. The post-strike run path. After landing a successful strike, immediately start running in an erratic, unpredictable zigzag pattern to throw off your pursuer. This technique prevents your opponent from predicting your movement, making it harder for them to catch up. It's a simple but effective way to escape a dangerous situation after neutralizing an immediate threat. By being unpredictable, you force your attacker to second-guess their next move, buying you precious time to get away. Technique 28. The verbal command. Yell. In a situation where an attacker is about to strike, a strong verbal command can disrupt their mental focus. Yelling "stand down" or "stop" with authority can momentarily freeze your attacker, causing hesitation and opening a window for a counterattack. It's a psychological move that relies on the power of your voice to control the fight. By confidently using your voice, you can take control of the situation, even if you're physically outmatched. Technique 27. The knee to thigh. Clinch. When caught in a clinch, deliver a powerful knee strike to the attacker's thigh to break their stance and disrupt their balance. This technique is particularly effective in Muay Thai and similar styles, where you use close-range strikes to break free from holds. By focusing on the thigh, you can disable the attacker's mobility, making them weaker and slower. This move also works as a counter to any attempt to take you down, ensuring that you maintain control over the situation. Technique 26. The ridge. Hand to neck. The ridge hand to neck is a brutal strike aimed at the carotid artery, or the neck's sensitive areas. Using the edge of your hand, you strike sharply and with force to incapacitate your opponent. This technique is efficient in taking down an attacker quickly because it targets critical nerve points that can disrupt the body's function. The strike also creates significant pain, disorienting your opponent and giving you a chance to escape or follow up with further attacks. Technique 25. The hammer fist. Overhead. The hammer fist overhead is a powerful strike delivered to the top of your opponent's head, usually aimed at the collarbone or skull. By using your whole body weight and the natural swing of your arm, you generate intense force. This strike can collapse your opponent's posture and even knock them out. The hammer fist is useful when you're close to the attacker, especially in a grapple, and need a fast, overwhelming strike to break free or cause incapacitation. Technique 24. The low sweep chain. The low sweep chain is an efficient way to take down an opponent by sweeping their legs from under them, causing them to fall hard. This chain of movements can disorient and disable multiple opponents if done quickly and fluidly. It's perfect when you're facing more than one threat, as you can continue to sweep and disable attackers without losing momentum. With each sweep, you reduce the number of attackers, gaining space and control to either escape or counterattack. Technique 23. The fence and redirect. The fence and redirect technique is about using your hands and arms to create a barrier between you and your opponent, then redirecting their force. It's an advanced self-defense move that requires quick reflexes and understanding of your opponent's momentum. By parrying their attacks and pushing them off balance, you create space to either escape or strike. This technique is especially useful in situations where you're outnumbered, as it buys you time to assess and neutralize the threats around you. Technique 22. The circle and burst. The circle and burst technique allows you to maintain control of the perimeter while forcing your attacker into a vulnerable position. By circling your opponent, you stay unpredictable, forcing them to adjust to your movements. When the time is right, you explode forward in a burst, closing the gap quickly and overwhelming them. This move is highly effective against attackers who attempt to box you in or create a perimeter around you, ensuring you remain in control of the fight. Technique 21. The Bottle Smash Defense. The bottle smash defense involves using a bottle or a similar object to smash your attacker's face or hands. This is particularly effective in environments like bars or restaurants where objects are easily accessible. The bottle acts as an improvised weapon, giving you an advantage in situations where you're not carrying any weapons. A quick smash to the head or hands can disorient your attacker, allowing you to escape or deliver a finishing blow. Technique 20. The Wall Slam. The Wall Slam technique uses the environment to your advantage, redirecting your attacker into a hard surface like a wall or door. When grabbed or pushed against a wall, instead of staying still, redirect the force into a slam that leaves your opponent stunned. This move creates an instant shock to the system, disrupting your opponent's focus and making it harder for them to continue their attack. It's an effective move in confined spaces where escape is limited, but the surroundings can be used to your advantage. Technique 19. The Key Jab. The key jab is a quick, sharp strike to vital nerve points, such as the neck or the jaw, with your knuckles. This strike can cause intense pain and immediate disorientation, giving you the chance to either escape or follow up with more strikes. The key to this technique is the precision of the jab, targeting areas where a quick shock can cause maximum impact. It's an efficient and fast move when you need to disable your opponent quickly. Technique 18. The Arm Drag Sweep. The arm drag sweep is a technique that allows you to control and manipulate your opponent's body by pulling their arm in a drag motion. By using their arm's natural momentum, you can pull them off balance and sweep their legs to the ground. This move is commonly used in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and wrestling, where control over the opponent's arm can dictate the flow of the fight. The arm drag sweep is effective in close quarters situations where mobility is limited, but leverage can make all the difference. Technique 17. The Up Kick to Groin. When trapped or pinned, the up kick to groin is a quick and effective move to disable your opponent. With a swift kick upward, target the groin, hitting with the full force of your legs. This move will immediately drop your opponent to the ground, leaving them incapacitated. It's particularly effective when you're on the ground and need to create space for an escape or follow-up strike. Technique 16. The Bridge and Roll. Escape. The bridge and roll escape is a technique designed to escape from being mounted or held on the ground. By bridging your hips upward and rolling, you use your own body's momentum to shift the weight of the attacker off of you. It's a critical move in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, where escaping from the mount position is often the key to gaining control. This technique is effective when you're being overpowered, providing a quick and efficient way to turn the tables. Technique 15. The Ankle Pick Takedown. The ankle pick takedown is a move designed to take your opponent down by targeting their ankle. By reaching for their ankle and pulling it while simultaneously applying pressure to their body, you trip them, sending them to the ground. This move is especially effective in wrestling and grappling scenarios, where you need to bring a stronger opponent down quickly. It's a low-risk, high-reward takedown that can change the momentum of the fight in seconds. Technique 14. The Knee Buckle Stamp. The knee buckle stamp targets the knee joint, applying pressure to collapse it and throw your opponent off balance. When you're being grappled or caught in a clinch, stamping on the knee can disable the attacker's ability to maintain their stance. This move is an efficient way to drop your opponent to the ground without using excessive force. It's also highly effective against larger individuals, as it focuses on a vulnerable part of their body that can't withstand much impact. Technique 13. The Lowline Kick. The Lowline Kick is a swift strike to your opponent's legs, typically aimed at the calf or knee. This move is great for destabilizing your opponent, especially if they are trying to close the distance. A well-timed kick can cause them to lose their balance, forcing them to drop to the ground. It's a highly effective move when you're facing an aggressive attacker or trying to escape a grappling situation. Technique 12. The Liver Shot. Hook. Liver shot hook is a powerful punch aimed directly at the liver, a vital organ located on the right side of your opponent's torso. A well-executed hook to the liver can incapacitate your attacker by causing a sharp, excruciating pain that temporarily paralyzes them. This strike is highly effective because it targets a critical area that can knock the wind out of anyone. The liver shot hook is an ideal technique for ending a fight quickly and decisively. Technique 11, the rib cage elbow. Rib cage elbow is a strike that targets the rib cage with a sharp, downward elbow. This move can break ribs or cause significant pain, disrupting your opponent's breathing and ability to continue fighting. It's especially effective when you're close to your attacker, such as in a clinch or grapple. By hitting the ribs with precision, you can incapacitate your opponent and create an opening to escape or follow up with further strikes. Technique 10. The solar plexus thrust. Solar plexus thrust involves driving your knee into the solar plexus, a bundle of nerves just below the chest. A sharp, powerful thrust into this area will knock the air out of your attacker, leaving them gasping and disoriented. This strike is extremely effective in close-range combat when you need to disable your opponent fast. It creates an opening for follow-up strikes or allows you to make your escape before your attacker can recover. Technique 9. The thumb bend release. When caught in a wrist or hand grip, the thumb bend release is one of the most effective ways to break free. By focusing on your opponent's thumb, you can use leverage to break their grip. You apply pressure to the thumb, bending it backward to cause pain and disorientation. This creates an opening, allowing you to break free and escape. It's an efficient move because it uses the body's natural pressure points, allowing you to overpower a stronger grip with minimal effort. Technique 8. The palm heel strike. Palm heel strike uses the heel of your palm to strike your attacker's nose or chin, causing immediate disorientation. Instead of using a fist, which can cause injury to your hand, this strike is more powerful and precise. Aim for the face, and the strike will instantly disable your attacker. This move maximizes power while minimizing the risk to yourself, and it's effective for self-defense when you're too close to use other strikes. Technique 7. The situational scan. Situational scan is all about keeping your head on a swivel and staying aware of potential threats around you. Whether you're in a public place or walking home late at night, scanning your environment helps you identify danger early, giving you a much better chance of avoiding an attack altogether. This technique isn't just about looking around, it's about observing patterns and behaviors that could signal something's off. By practicing this skill, you increase your chances of staying safe in any environment. Technique 6. The elbow spike counter. When grabbed from behind, use the elbow spike counter by thrusting your elbow backward into the tricep or chest. This move will break the hold and disorient your attacker. It's effective in close quarters combat, allowing you to quickly turn the tables and gain control of the situation. The elbow strike, delivered with force, targets vital nerve points in the upper body, creating an opening for you to escape or follow up with further strikes. Technique 5. The radial twist. The radial twist breaks free from wrist or arm holds by twisting your forearm against the attacker's grip. This movement applies pressure to their arm, forcing them to release their hold. It's an effective escape tactic in situations where you're being restrained, giving you a clear path to break free and counterattack. This technique can be done quickly with minimal force, making it ideal when you need to escape fast from a grab or hold. Technique 4. The thumb bend release. When caught in a vice-like grip, use the thumb bend release to escape by twisting the opponent's thumb backward. The pressure on the thumb will create enough pain and disorientation to break their hold. This move is highly effective because it focuses on a vulnerable joint that, when twisted, creates immediate leverage. It's an ideal escape tactic for anyone caught in a wrist lock or other joint holds, requiring only a quick, precise movement to gain freedom. Technique 3. The groin kick. The groin kick is one of the most effective and brutal self-defense moves, targeting a highly sensitive area. A swift, powerful kick to the groin with your foot or shin will cause immediate pain, leaving your opponent incapacitated. This technique is ideal for quickly disabling a larger or stronger attacker, allowing you to either escape or follow up with another strike. It's simple, effective, and can be done without requiring much strength or precision. Just aim for the right spot. Technique 2, the palm heel. Strike. Palm heel strike involves striking the opponent with the heel of your palm, targeting the nose, chin, or sternum. This strike is powerful and effective because it utilizes your whole body's force without the risk of injuring your hand. Aim for soft spots like the nose or chin, and the impact will immediately disorient your attacker. The strike is ideal when you're in close range and need to create distance quickly. By focusing on precision and power, this move can disable your opponent and give you the upper hand. Technique 1, the Situational Scan. Situational Scan is the first line of defense and the most fundamental technique. These 30 techniques will help you become more prepared for any self-defense situation, from recognizing a threat before it escalates to incapacitating an attacker with precision strikes. Practice these regularly, and you'll be equipped with the skills and confidence to handle whatever comes your way. Stay alert, stay sharp, and remember, your goal is to protect yourself. Use these techniques wisely.
Subscribe to master yourself on it. Learn, defend, grow.